back to my YouTube channel, and today I have Sanaya and Maitri here. So Maitri was with me yesterday, but apart from Maitri, today we have Sanaya. So say hi to them.
Hi.
And Maitri.
Hello.
So these two are going to play Among Us with us. Now let's do it public. And Soft Mice is Maitri, and Sanaya is Sanaya, and PU Hacks is me. So I'll meet you guys after some people join. Okay guys, so 10 people have joined now. Let's start. Okay. I've started the game and hope I'm the imposter. I want to become the imposter. Yesterday I was... why do I always... Sanaya, are you the imposter? Sanaya is the imposter, Maitri?
No, Maitri is not.
Maitri is not the imposter. Okay, don't tell who is the second imposter. We'll find out that. Remember, I am white and you can't kill me because I'm your friend. Okay. Oh! Blue killed me. The game didn't even start and then people started killing me. Okay. It's better. I can complete the tasks faster without any tension.
Exactly, that's the advantage of being a ghost.
Yeah. Cards. Wipe. One of my favorite tasks. Okay.
Like, me and my imposter buddy are like on a killing spree. We're like killing everyone.
4 people are already killed.
I need to kill 2 more people.
Why is it? Oh yeah, then we both can like mix up and then.
Maitri, why are you telling everyone to vote?
Yeah, literally, Maitri is like, vote me, vote me.
Because you want me to win?
No, I want to be a ghost so I can finish.
You don't want me to win?
Okay, so. Oh wait, yeah, I can't wait. This red is not voting anyone, stupid. Vote.
Vote.
Tall Juice is the second imposter, right?
Yeah. Tall juice. I mean, juice can't be tall, it's juice.
Now this time I am going to wear like a weirdo hat, and I am sure this time I'll be become the imposter the next team. Everyone voted you.
I win.
Then they were
Hey,
wrong.
you can't do any tasks, I win.
Wow. Play again. Now I am going to like have a like weird hat. Customize. I'm going.
It's the same.
I'm taking some rowdy hat.
Okay, start.
Yeah. Wait. I'm using this now. I guess I'll become the imposter because I'm jump nest.
But she has a heart on her white skin, so I think we'll know who she is.
No, I changed my hat because like if those type of people like I have that purple color now. I'm not the imposter. So now you're the imposter. Don't tell me yes. Maitri. Okay, wait. 3 are not the imposters.
She looks sus. Maitri looks sus.
Maitri, speak in the mic so that they can hear you. Oh, someone killed me. Someone killed. Someone like. I guess it is damp.
Like a thief.
Like yeah, people wearing those type of things are like mostly the imposters, so I vote them. So like, I guess it's damp mice.
Sanaya, me out, and you'll know that I'm not.
She's not the imposter. Now I know. Maitri, I trust Maitri.
Keep an eye on you.
Put kill damp mice. I guess vote damp mice.
Okay.
He's a little sus.
If it's wrong. Yeah. But I'm pretty sure you are obviously we all are crewmates.
Yeah, we all are
Let's
crewmates.
work together to find a crew money.
Yeah, it's damp mice because he's not even voting anyone.
Don't think I forgot.
I trust Maitri.
So that's my step.
Oh, then I can vote anyone else also. I'll vote Swan Mark. I'm voting Swan Mac.
Okay. Red voted me.
Blue voted me.
And Maitri voted herself.
Seriously, Maitri voted herself. Okay. I am going behind.
I mean, she wants to become a ghost.
I don't know.
I kind of want
My
to
thing is stuck. My thing is stuck. I'm leaving. My thing is stuck. Oh, now I can move. I am not leaving.
Spawn mark.
Okay. Yeah.
Mark.
So I am going to like
He killed.
Swan Mark, right? That the one with that some weirdo hat, right? I knew it. People who have like weird hats are like mostly the imposters. Even yesterday.
First, listen, Swan Mark was literally following me and I ran away. And the next thing you know, Swan Mark kills Sanaya.
Yeah, I voted Swan Mark. If,
I'm a ghost now, so I can tell you who the imposter is by going
why
around.
are people voting Maitri out? Wait, are you the imposter, Maitri? Okay, no. It's Swan Mark and I feel it's Swan Mark and the other one is
Imposter. I'm pretty sure it's imposter.
imposter. I don't feel it's
Red is
imposter.
safe. I saw it stand. Red is safe. Oh, it's Messy Juice.
Why? How do you know? Oh yeah, you saw someone kill, right?
It's Messy Juice because he's hiding and taking something.
Messi Juice. He has a weird hat, right? Does Messi Juice have a weird hat?
He doesn't have any hats.
Oh, okay.
Red is safe.
Oh, okay. Sometimes it's okay, but like mostly. Now I'm still going to wear that.
You had to, if you didn't tell that vote me, then we would have kind of gone. Because
Yeah.
it's Swan Mark would have
Today it's fun. Like it's a little fun today. Anyway.
Fight me now.
Okay. I hope now I become the imposter. Please, God, please. Why are you doing this to me?
I want to be imposter with like one of you.
Obviously everyone wants to become an imposter.
With their friend.
Yeah.
Actually, three of us should be imposters.
Yeah, if three of us would be... I'm a grown
I'm a crewmate. Messy is an imposter.
Maitri is the imposter. She's...
Her expression just shows it all.
Can you kill me, Maitri? Please?
Yeah, please.
I'm Alert's love. Tov. Alert's Tov.
No, I'm pretty sure you are.
Wait, why did you leave the game, Maitri? Okay, I'm leaving the game after I do this stuff. Okay, I'm leaving the game. Tripod. Okay, I'm creating a game. Okay. Okay, so 8 people have joined, so 9 people have joined, so I'm starting the game. I hope I'm the imposter, and if I don't be the imposter, please imposter, please, I request you, I'll do, please. It's like, wait, Sanaya is the imposter. She's making a really weird expression. Okay, Maitri. Okay. Wait, O2, I guess. O2. Oxygen. Oh, okay. How many do we need to destroy? 20, right?
I don't know if I'm a crewmate or imposter. I forgot how to tell them. I have crewmate or
If you haven't kill button on the side of your screen, then you're the imposter. Okay, I'm going to vote Sanaya out. No, I'm not. I'm a good friend, so I'm going to vote. The second imposter can be either it can be black or it can be blue. Which one is it? Black or blue?
I kind of know who the second imposter.
Okay, tell Sanaya. It's enough. Or else I'll vote you.
Why?
Because you're not telling me if, the other imposter.
I think I want to show you that my name is not written in red.
Oh, okay. It's
If
the
you're the imposter, then your name will be written in red.
oh yeah. Wait, are you the imposter? Maitri?
Vote me out.
No, I don't. I trust you, Maitri. I do not trust Sanaya because she's lying right now.
That's rude. I am a crewmate. Just believe me.
imposter, but I still
Even
do, I
showed you,
won't.
like, imposters cannot do this. I made them click on that task button.
Yeah, Sanaya was not doing any tasks. I feel like she's just fake tasking.
Well, nobody voted me, so nobody thinks I'm sus. Why do you think I'm sus?
Because you asked us. Okay, I'm going to vote. Okay, I'm going to like follow you, Sanaya, and let me see what you do. And yeah, and then I guess, right? Where are you, by the way? Oh, electricity. Sanaya literally sabotaged, I guess. Oh, the lights are fixed. Someone is okay. Sanaya, I'm following you. I'm LX.
Why are you fixing the lights in the electrical, Sanaya?
Yeah,
I was.
you weren't. You were there before, like anyone came, so that you could kill people.
I saw her walking away. I saw her walking away, like, obviously.
Yeah, to check what's going on. Now she ran away somewhere so that no one could suspect her. So, by the way, this is our last game, guys. So now I'm in electrical. Wanna kill me? Pink literally killed me, guys. Report, Sanaya. Now people will think it's you.
It's not me. It's literally not me.
It is you.
It's not me.
Let's see.
It's not me.
Should I say vote Fuzzy?
Yeah.
It's not me.
So say vote Fuzzy. Like, let me just. Otherwise,
But
everybody will.
why? You don't have any proof that it's Fuzzy.
I have a proof. He killed me. She
So
killed
you
me.
might be saying wrong.
Are you serious, Anaya? Why isn't anyone voting? Fine, if you vote Fuzzy Heat.
Have any proof that it's Fuzzy.
You saw Fuzzy Heat when? Yeah.
I did not.
Proof.
Nobody voted.
Oh, yeah, he. Okay, wait. Sanaya is not an imposter.
I was telling you that.
But you were acting so sus, Sanaya.
I wanted to act so see if you would trust
That
me.
Okay, sorry, Sanaya. You're my best friend, right?
Okay, I'm just gonna call a emergency meeting. I don't like this.
Yeah. Vote Fuzzy Heat, everyone. No need to tell because. Yay! Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we had a victory. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you next time.